In front of me is Honor 50, and let me show you how to set up camera timer on this phone. So at first, just open your camera app, and now once you're in photo mode, just click on settings icon. You will notice timer here, and just pick the period of time after which you want your photo to be done. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay, then go back, and as you can see, it will be done after 10 seconds. You will see the countdown right here. And then the picture is grabbed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.